There's a number of challenges that I think customers are facing at the moment. Some of it is driven by technology, some of it is driven by regulation. As the customers out there are more rapidly and more readily adopting processes like Agile and DevOps, we're seeing a real shift left in terms of aspects like performance engineering, security, and particularly in regulated industries like banking and finance, for example. We're seeing a lot of customers looking to use more cost-effective third-party software vendors to deliver product into them, so they then fall foul of certain regulations for audit purposes. In financial services, there's a regulation called Cigniti, for example, and typically any external software vendor who's providing product into a banking organisation falls foul of that. The first thing that the auditors will ask when they come in is, how do you ensure that those products that are being delivered to you and being developed external to your organisation, how do you ensure that those products are secure and there are no vulnerabilities, no backdoors in the code, for example? So we're seeing things like security really raising its head. That's very important. We're seeing greater adoption of cloud and open source technology, and certainly within banking that provides some challenges. Some customers are absolutely adamant they will not use cloud-based technologies and open source technologies. Some of our banking clients we're seeing are quite happy to look at adopting it. So it's different horses for different courses across the domain. But as a whole, there's a whole, we're seeing challenges for example, for customers looking to bring the right skills in-house. As DevOps gets more heavily adopted, you're starting to see the traditional role of a tester is beginning to change very significantly, and we're seeing a lot more of the SDETs or software developer in test roles coming up in the marketplace now, where it's the responsibility for quality is placed on everybody in the development organisation, not just the tester. It sits with everybody. And I think that the traditional role of developer and tester will be merged into one at some point, and that will be the norm. And it's how that transition is going to affect the resources in the workplace. It's going to be another challenge for customers.